To obtain a DBA in Texas, it's essential to understand the purpose of having one. A DBA, or assumed name, allows a business to operate under a name different from its legal name. Registering a DBA in Texas offers numerous benefits, such as creating a new brand without establishing a separate business entity, which can help attract customers. The process of registering a DBA in Texas involves filing an assumed name certificate with the relevant office at the county or state level, depending on the business entity type. In Texas, all corporations, limited liability companies, limited partnerships, and limited liability partnerships, as well as out-of-state companies conducting business in Texas under a name other than their legal name, must file a DBA with the Secretary of State. Sole proprietorships and general partnerships, on the other hand, need to file with the county clerk's office, but not at the state level, unless they are using a name other than the legal name of their owners. To set up a DBA in Texas, one must follow a step-by-step guide. The first step is to conduct a name availability search to ensure the desired name is available and not being used by another business. It's crucial to choose a unique name that tells the brand story and resonates with the business's values. The next step is to fill out the assumed name certificate, which can be obtained from the Secretary of State, and submit it to the designated office along with the required filing fees. By following these steps, a business can successfully obtain a DBA in Texas. The overall process is designed to provide numerous benefits for Texas businesses, including the ability to create a new brand and attract customers.